Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday, Thirsty Thursday. I have a bottle of stout in my fridge I'll be dipping into later on this afternoon. Okay, last night I prepared beef and snap pea stir fry over rice. Yummy! We haven't had stir fries in the house for several weeks, so it was a nice change. I love doing wok work. And I quote Robin, it is better than restaurant. High praise. I'll have that recipe posted up very shortly. And tonight is one of my creations. I am doing pork and baby bok choy stir fry. So let's get to it. A lot of the same hardware as yesterday. We're going to start with the star ingredients. That's a pork tenderloin and baby bok choy, a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper. This is where the ingredients get fun. Low sodium soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, fish sauce. There's some cornstarch in this, and some garlic, ground ginger, red onion sliced, brown sugar, some matchstick carrots, green onions for garnish, and the elusive Sriracha. I found it. It was very reasonably priced, so they weren't gouging me. And I'm going to be topping this off and actually including in towards the end of the stir fry some DaniGreens greens. This is a delivery I got just a few days ago from Dani. And I thank her a lot for supporting Casual Chef and Casual Chef's Kitchen. And it goes likewise. I love supporting her. She's a great local business and a great woman. So this all going to be served over rice noodles instead of rice. I love using rice noodles. So that's what I have going on today. Enjoy your day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.